Good morning, everyone. What is happening? It's The Rock. Are you guys day trading Clove yet? Because I'm day trading Clove. I'm in Clove. Is this thing going to run past 10? That's what I'm looking for, 10. Last crazy Wall Street bets run went to, let's see. Looking at the daily chart, there's some resistance, about $10. And after that, there could be potentially, I don't know. I have to look at the chart here. 10 and 14 looks like there's some resistance there. It's already breaking the prior resistance from July 22nd. And if it hits 10, then it could go to 10 or 11. So I'm looking for to see if it can crack 10 here. It looks like it can. So we'll see what happens here. I'm in at 970. Looking for 10 plus 11. 11's good. Wish is up right now, so let's skip over Clove here. Let's talk about Wish. Wish is up to whoa! Look at Clove go. All right, Wish is up to it was about over $10. So they do have earnings today, guys. So that's part of my discussion today. They have earnings today, and I believe it is after hours. So we'll see what happens there. I'm gonna share my other chart here and just kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. And we'll go here. There it is. All right, let's talk about Wish real quick. All right, so I got the Moderna. I was so wrong about Moderna yesterday. It went for an 80-point drop. All right, so Wish, again, if you guys are looking at my chart, I'm looking for probably 1262 on earnings. If it is a blowout, if it generates enough hype, I think we could see even a short squeeze on Wish. So that's what I'm looking for, $12.62 on Wish. Just heads up, I've been talking about Dash. If you guys have not been on Dash, too bad. All right, so I started talking about Dash right around here, and it's here now. It's wonderful. I'm going to hop over to let's say the 2-hour chart. All right. And you can see that this is a nice head and shoulders pattern. And there's this neckline here. It tried to break the neckline yesterday and it failed and it came back down a little bit. That's okay. We know there's going to be resistance there about the 192. But guess what? Pre-market, we're at 194, 195. We're going to 200, guys. So if you guys are sleeping on Dash, I'm sorry. So they have earnings this afternoon. So I'm looking for 200, a break over 200, 210. If it is great earnings, and I think it will be, you're going to see should see some action on Dash going into the afternoon. I'm in Upstart. If you guys haven't saw the news, they killed the earnings yesterday. So what happened? Gap up. Broke this downward neckline again. So I'm going to see, it's a nice hammer. If you guys notice this daily hammer, it's nice. It might be a hanging man too, so I'm going to be careful with it. I'm up on the calls right now. I did 170 calls for September 10th, or I'm sorry, September 17th, and so it's great. I like this. So I'm going to see if it back tests. Obviously, there's a gap to be filled. It's a little bit risky, but I like Upstart and their business model, obviously, and how that's progressing. So great earnings on Upstart, and yeah, that's oh, let's talk about Moderna today. So you guys are seeing all this chatter just within the last, 24 hours. A lot of chatter about a lot of states and agencies mandating COVID vaccines. And unfortunately, Moderna came all the way down to 375 yesterday, and it's bouncing now to I think pre-market's roughly under 395. So I'm looking for a bounce here. So I'll play it. It's beaten down that bad in one day. I think it could do some damage today. So also there are other catalysts with their other vaccines outside of COVID coming up as well. So you guys want to watch the stock this, or at least play the bounce here. All right. So yeah, I talked about Moderna, Wish, Dash, Ups. All right, Clove. What's going on with Clove? Let's go back to Clove. All right, Clove is nope. Where is Clove? All right, Clove hit a high of 988. All right, keep going. I think we can go to 10, 11. If this catches volume at the during the bell, it may pop over really nicely. All right, so keep an eye out on Clove, and I'll stop sharing that screen. I'll share my Weeble once again here. All right, just kind of see where we're at. So, hey. It's always good to be on a winning trade, gentlemen. All right, let's see if we could break 988, and we did, and it's now 989 highs. Let's just go to 10. 10 is good. All right, any questions, you guys? Can you Emma? Yeah, Moderna's way oversold. It is way oversold. We'll see where it goes. I mean, I think because it gapped up this morning, I think, I watched Moderna for weeks and months now. It flushes at the bell and it jumps back up and runs. If it's going to be a good day, it can run obviously past 400 pretty easily, or even 410. But if it fails, then if it fails there, then it can hang out in the 380s area. We know that it jumped back up into the 383 area. So it can hang out there. It could trade within the range today if there's no action, there's no volume, or we could see 350, and then I'll buy the bounce at the 350 level because that's the next support is 350. All right, come on, Clove, go to 10. Disney, yeah, let's look at the Disney chart. I really like Disney. So I've been playing Disney for a while now, leading up to these to the earnings today. So Disney is currently, where's Disney at right now? 178.47. So you see that there's this heavy resistance right here at the 0.382 line. All right, it broke that before about 2 weeks ago, and it came all the way back down. So now that we're going into earnings, if it's great earnings, if they beat, just crazy numbers, and all the parks are opening up. There's and there's no shutdown or no lockdown, and they opened up their cruises. All right, there's good stuff happening for Disney. So 182 is my next target. All right, and if it's after hours earnings, I think it's after hours earnings. Yeah, it is. I'm optimistic it can break 182. So that's my stance. All right, 182. I'm looking for 200 plus on Dash. So you guys want to scalp those calls, man? It's going to be fun. SCSN, Sensen, Padufa next week, correct? Yes. So yeah, it kind of went up yesterday, right? Something happened yesterday with Sensen. Oh, I think it was BlackRock. Yeah, BlackRock just disclosed a bunch of increased positions, and they increased like 250% across the board on a lot of stocks. Like Sensen, they did so on Fubo, they did so on Planner. I think Planner. There's a few others. They went on a shopping spree the last quarter. It looks like. With the volume that I'm seeing on Clove right now, and the interest in Clove, it should be interesting. I think it can definitely run past 10. If you got calls on it, you might want to take profit. Wish, yeah, we just talked about Wish, bro. It's earnings later today. I'm still expecting great earnings and volume. I'm expecting to go to past 11. Today, tomorrow, that's my opinion. Of course, I can be wrong, just like how I was wrong about Moderna yesterday. All right. Okay, charts are never on 100%. Anything can happen. All right. All right, guys, that's my pre-market prep for today. Upstart, Dash, Wish, Moderna, Clove is what I'm working with today. All right. And if you guys need anything, please hit me up on my inbox, or if you guys are part of our Patreon community, I'll see you in the chat rooms. And no questions. OCGN is fine. Don't worry about OCGN. They should have news by end of the month. Or somebody said WHO approval is due, I think, August 15th or something like that. But I saw a video clip yesterday that they said is September. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, Cloves go to 10. I'm winning a trade. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right, guys, have a great day. Take profits. Be safe out there. Kind of a iffy futures right now. I hate it when futures are green because that means small caps go down. That's just my opinion, but this futures are green. Just be careful. Might be a rug pull later. All right. Stay safe out there. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support and tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.